Good morning. I am Sylvia, the crafty old lady, and today I am working on day 11 and 12 of Junk Journal January, and those two prompts are magazine and overlap. So I thought I would use this page to kind of do a glue book style collage, and there will be magazine images and a little bit of overlapping. So I may not be able to use all of these because my page is so small, but I'm gonna do my best to get no background in this. Let's see. I don't know if this is gonna work. We'll find out. That can go there. Got that there. What if we put I could cut off a little bit of this porcupine, and it can go kind of like that, and we can put, there's a little salamander. He adds a little color, but we still have this stuff here. And I'm going to put, yeah, we don't want to cover up too much of that sweet little face either. So I can put little adventurers down here, but I still feel like I need something behind this. Maybe we can that fit behind? We still need some other little thing here. Let's see. Let's start gluing a couple of things down. Oh boy, I need to move up. I forgot my rule. My camera was also not quite in the right spot. Alright, so we've got this. I may need to pull out a few more images. Let's get this kind of down. Something does need to go under here though. So I'm only going to glue down the bottom of this one. And I really hope I'm on camera. Okay, so he's going to go, what if I just do this actually? I can cut his ear off. That won't matter so much. This one's going up here. I need a little gluing paper. Okay, this one's going up here. Should probably put my glasses on. Yep. This one is going to go right here. Still, I don't know. This one is a little wider. No. I think we will put this one up here. It's a little wider, and it's overlapping. Hope you're all doing well today. I just got my husband home from the hospital and settled down, and hopefully I can finish this. Okay, so we're gonna need something here. We have the bear. Let's see, is this what is this? That's some kind of mink or something. Can that go like this? I believe it can. But we still have this here. Let's see. This is going to go here, and it's overlapping a little bit. What if we do something like this? Yeah, there we go. There's this. Overlap a little bit like that. I think that would work. And then we'll just need something for here, which I think this will work. Yes, it will, but I'm going to need to trim it a little bit, I think. All right, so let's get this one down. All right, a little too much glue there. Okay, so this one was going right, oh, like this, right? I think. Oh my goodness. I don't want to cover too much up of the chipmunk. There, that's good. I believe that's good. The skink or whatever that is can go right in there. Some of it will be trimmed off. So he's going kind of like this. Okay, so we're off a little bit there. This one's going here. Most of my glue books are kind of nature-y, all of them really. Now, will this work here? I think it should be good enough. We'll put, oh, we still need something right there if I do that though. Let me see. Okay, so I have figured out that these two little inchies fit perfectly there. So I'm going to glue those down. And then we'll glue this one down. I should have cut that out a little better. Maybe I still can. However, if I cut it out too much, it might not fit across it. But anyways, let's get this down. Then I'll see if I can cut that better. Fussy cut it out a little more. So we have a little mouse right here and a little raccoon. And they fit perfectly in there, slightly overlapped. Okay, let me get my scissors out here. And I have the words precious and little adventurers. So I think that's going to be, okay, well part of that is going to even be gone anyway. So let's cut this ear out better. And I hope you're all happy and healthy and safe. Okay, so let's get this glued down. And we should be doing good. I'm gonna, whoops, that little a little scrap went under there, so that's good. Can't see it anymore. We'll trim this off. And hopefully everything is still visible and covered. There we go. Awesome. That's not straight, but we'll survive it. And I'm going to go put little adventurers right down here. So let's do that. And then I also have to put numbers down. Little adventurers. And precious is going to go up here. And that is my glue book style Junk Journal January page for prompt 10, which was magazine, and 12, or no, 11, which is magazine, and 12, which is overlap. So I think it came out cute. Thanks so much for watching. But first I do need to put my numbers down. And I'm not sure where I'm going to do that, but I think I'll punch out something with this and maybe put the numbers on that. Maybe a smaller one. Oh, brown. I had brown ones the other day. Let's just go ahead with that. I don't know where they are, but I can do 2 more. And I will ink around those, I do believe. And put the numbers on. Yeah, I made these bigger. They were too, yeah, I like them smaller for the numbers actually. We'll put that one there. and this one over somewhere else. Well, probably right next to it, actually. We'll put them both down here. I'm just going to write it with the brown pen for now. I have to go to the store and, whoops, that's a crane my daughter made. I had it on the Christmas tree one year. 11, whoops, and 12. Okay, so let's glue those on. Oop, I didn't mean to push that up so far. Alright, so this goes here. We have 11 and 12. Yeah, I have to go out to the store and get my husband some supplies. But so far, this is my favorite page in here. But I like the glue book page too. I like anything with nature, to be honest. So that's that. I hope you're happy, healthy, and safe. I probably already said that 20 times. And because I do mean it very much. And I appreciate your support. I appreciate you commenting and supporting my channel and watching my videos. And please subscribe if you would like to. Also, check out my Ko-fi page for free vintage ephemera downloads. Thanks. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.